When Allah SWT created the earth, it shook and trembled until he set mountain ranges upon it to make it firm. The angels asked, "O Allah, is there anything in your creation stronger than these mountains?" And Allah replied, "Yes, it's iron. Iron is stronger than the mountains, for it breaks them. And is there anything stronger than the iron? Yes, it is fire, it melts it. Is there anything stronger than the fire? Yes, it is water, for it quenches the fire. O Rab, is there anything in your creation stronger than the water? Yes, it is wind, for it overcomes water and put it in motion. O our sustainer, is there anything in your creation stronger than the wind? Yes, a good man giving alms. If he give with his right hand and conceal it with his left, he overcomes all things. Tirmidhi Sharif.